and it just magically changes.
Or if I just wave it, it just turns.
And the card visually changes.
King.
Watch the hearts. Magic card change. Slowly move across the card, just like that.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 color change card tricks reveal. So a color change is when you change one card in a deck into a different card, and you do it in a really visual way. So these are 7 different ways that you can change one card into another. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first one on our list is the magic wave change. Super easy, and you can do it at home. Check out this performance. Okay, check it out. This is a trick with the 4 of spades. So all you have to do is watch the 4. I'm gonna wave it back and forth like this, and you'll see this happen. Watch. Just like that, the 4 magically changes into a king of hearts. Next up on our list is the Erdnase change. I'm going to show you the tricks first, and then I'm going to teach you how they're done at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay, this is a trick that just uses the top card of the deck. So in this case, it is the 2 of clubs. So check this out. There's nothing in my hand. Watch, we're just going to take the 2 like this. Watch, 1, 2, 3, and it magically changes into the 10 of diamonds. Okay, check it out. This is a really quick trick. It happens very fast, so don't take your eyes off this card. Watch closely. So I have the king of spades here, but what is better than a king? An ace. Okay, this is a really cool card trick, one that you can do at home. You're going to use the 10 of hearts for this. You're just going to take the 10, tell your audience to watch the hearts. On the count of 3, you'll see this happen. Watch the hearts. 1, 2, 3, and they just magically disappear. This is a trick with the 4 of diamonds. So check this out. It's a really visual card change. So watch the diamonds on the 4. You can see this happen. Watch. They just begin to slowly move across the card just like that, and it actually changes into a 6 of diamonds. Okay, this is a trick that uses the ace of spades from a deck of cards. You can see the back of this card is blue in color. It's actually not blue. This is just an illusion, and I'm going to use the little magic card sleeve right here to reveal the card's true color. So check this out. We're going to slide the card in the magic card sleeve like this. Okay, now watch. As soon as it fully gets inside, you'll see it happen. Watch. 1, 2, 3. And the card magically changes colors just like that. Now watch. It's just an illusion though. You can actually change it back to blue. Alright, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'm going to teach you how they're done right now. Here is the explanation to the wave/twist change. This is a really easy one to do. All you need are 2 normal playing cards, and you're just going to hold them back to back just like this so that they're lined up perfectly with the edges. Now it's key that they look like one card here, and it's also key that you don't flash the back. Now here is the grip for holding the card. One finger, the middle finger, is going to go right here at the top corner of the card, and the thumb is going to go right here. Your index finger is what's going to do the flipping of the card, and that flip is going to happen as you wave your hand back and forth, making this big motion, and that big motion is going to cover this little motion of the card flipping. So we've got it here held between the middle finger and the thumb, just like this. Wherever the pips are, the K is here, the K is here, that's where the fingers are going to go. It's a good way to remember it. So as their eye is trying to follow that card waving back and forth, they just see it change. Okay, here is the explanation to the Erdnase change. This is a classic color change change in Magic, and it's one of the first that I ever learned. So the first thing you need to know to perform this trick is how to do a double lift, that is holding two cards as one and making them look like one single card. So when you flip the top card of the deck, it's actually two cards. Now you're going to push this card forward, that is the top card here, under the cover of your hand. So your hand is going to cover the exposed jack right here. Part of your palm right here is going to contact that and pull it back like this. Slide it back until it pops up just like that over top of the 7. Now you're going to slide it back into place, and this is all happening under the cover of your hand. And now your finger is going to push the 7 back down, move the jack up into position simultaneously, and it looks like it is just magically changed. This is called a snap change. The great thing about this trick is you can do it with any deck of cards. So all you need is 2 random cards from the deck. In this case, we're going to use the 2 of hearts and the jack of clubs. You're going to hold them together as one, and then you're going to pinch them in the bottom corner just like this. The first card gets pulled back using the middle finger, while the index finger and thumb remain to pinch the front card. From the front at slow speed, it looks like this. And you're literally making the motion of snapping your fingers. Start with the fingers like this, pinching the card, and the middle finger moves back. Practice at home until this looks really convincing, and you might need to do it a few times and practice that move until it gets really fast.
Okay, here is how you do the magic pop chain.
So it's also kind of a double lift move. It's 2 cards back to back like this, and you want to make sure they look like they're one card. I'm doing this with the 10 and the 4, but you can do this with any 2 cards that you want. It's a great way to have someone pick a card, you then get it wrong, and then you take the card and change it into the correct card. So this move does require a little bit of practice. You're going to take the middle finger here and the thumb, that is the hand that you're holding the deck with, and this is how you're going to position it. Middle finger at that corner, thumb at this corner. Now your other hand is going to come over. The middle finger on this hand is going to go here, and the thumb's going to go here. You're kind of creating an axle with this hand where the card is going to rotate on. So you're going to hold lightly with these fingers, and you want to put a little pressure with these and let go with your thumb first so that it pops around like that. Okay, here is the secret to the magic card change. This is a highly guarded secret, and I might get in trouble with some magicians for sharing this with you. This is called a flap card. So as you can see, there's some little elastic bands that run right along here, and it creates like a flap just like this. I've kind of showed you guys how to make a DIY version of this in a previous video, but it's not spring loaded like this is. So you fold this over, hold it in place, and then when you let go of it, it's spring loaded and it just pops back into place like that. Looks like a camera trick or impossible sleight of hand. And then you can handle the card very openly to show the front and back. You can even toss it up in the air. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to give this away to one lucky comment. This is one of the most visual card changes in all of Magic. This is the Magic moving pips trick. The pips on the card seem to actually come to life and visibly move across the paper just like that, changing the card right in front of the spectator's eyes. Now the secret to this is a specially made card. It has a 6 on this side and a 4 on this side, as you can see, and on the back it has a little button. You just move this thing up and down and it controls these little pips right here. You can see if you look very close on it, there are some little pieces of monofilament line, fishing string, that have been sewn through the card. So I'll show you as I move the little button on the back. You can see how those pips move just like that. So there's actually the printed diamond on the card, and then these move independently on this little pulley system of monofilament. So as I move the button on the back right here up and down, it moves the pips on the front up and down. And you definitely want to make sure you're positioning your fingers over the 6 and the 4. So when you first show it and it's going to be a 4 like this, you want to make sure you're covering the 6. And then once it does its change, you're going to shift that to where you're now covering the 4 and the 6 is exposed. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to give away this amazing card trick to one lucky comment in the comment section. Okay, here is the secret to the magic card sleeve trick. It's all in this little magic card sleeve. We actually have these available at EvanEraTV.com. The first time I saw this trick, it blew my mind. So you can take any playing card, slide it in here like this. You can see it's actually a blue backed playing card. Now this is the secret to the trick. If you look, the sleeve actually has a little checkerboard pattern in between each of those checkerboards. Like when it's hidden right now, every other little checkerboard is clear on this piece of film, and every other one in a checkerboard pattern looks like the back design of a red playing card. So when
you shift the little piece of film inside, it looks like it's just magically changing colors. It looks so visual. It looks like a camera trick. So you can make it slow and gradual like you just saw me do, or you can make it super visual by making it fast. You can then change it back to the other color and then slide the card out, and there's nothing to find here with the card sleeve. You can hand the card out for examination. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you would like to win a magic card sleeve, or head over to EvanEraTV.com and pick one up today. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. Be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is my online shop. We have a lot of cool merch, laugh at life gear, and magic tricks that you can't find anywhere else. We also have decks of cards available, the magic card sleeves that you saw in this video. The link for that is in the top of the description of this video. EvanEraTV.com. EvanEraTV.com. That is EvanEraTV.com. Thank you for all the support. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm giving away the magic card sleeve, I'm giving away the magic moving pips card, and the magic flap card. I'm also going to give away some decks of bicycle cards. We have bicycle cards on EvanEraTV.com, available in black, red, and blue variety. I'm going to sign some decks of cards, send them out to lucky comments. That's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. Like the video, leave a comment down below, and be subscribed to EvanEraTV on YouTube. I'll be going through the comments section, picking random comments, and mailing out these magic tricks to you. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.